The Lectric XP Lite 2.0 has already made a name for itself as a lightweight, affordable, and practical e-bike. Now, it's even more appealing with the addition of a new color option, Lavender Haze. This soft purple hue adds a touch of personality and style, making it a great choice for riders who want to stand out from the crowd. While the Lavender Haze color is certainly eye-catching, the Lectric XP Lite 2.0 has much more to offer. This updated model boasts several improvements over its predecessor, including hydraulic brakes. These provide more stopping power and better modulation compared to the mechanical brakes found on the original XP Lite. Color LCD display. A new, colorful display makes it easier to monitor your speed, battery life, and other important information. Long-range battery option. For those who need to travel further, a long-range battery option is available, extending the bike's range up to 80 miles. Weighing in at just 49 pounds, the XP Lite 2.0 is easy to transport and store. Its foldable design allows it to fit in the trunk of most cars, making it a great option for commuters or those who want to take their e-bike on vacation. Despite its lightweight design, the XP Lite 2.0 is no slouch when it comes to performance. Its 819 watts peak rear hub motor provides plenty of power for tackling hills and cruising at speeds up to 20 miles per hour. The bike also features 5 levels of pedal assist, allowing you to customize the level of effort you want to put in. One of the most appealing aspects of the Lectric XP Lite 2.0 is its affordability. With a starting price of $799, it's one of the most budget-friendly e-bikes on the market. This makes it a great option for those who are new to e-bikes or who are looking for a practical and affordable way to get around town.